Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mike. Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday, the 26th of November. This is your morning setups. We are very flat here this morning. We had a brief ramp in futures last night. We came back, and most things are pretty flat here. Powell came on at 7 o'clock. Hey, look at that. Right after the ramp went off after that, talked about how 2% was important. They will maintain to that. There was news of more trade talks between Mnuchin, Lighthizer, and Vice Premier Lee this morning, but no real progress being made at this point. Nothing reported. Everything, we're close. We're close. That said, we got a lot on the economic front today. Okay, international trade goods, retail sales, wholesale inventories all goes off at 8:30. Right, new home sales at 10, consumer confidence. So you got a lot going on here. Oh yeah, the consumer and the Case-Shiller house price index. So a lot going on here in a short amount of time this morning. So let's jump to it. Jump to it. I really cannot figure out. Sometimes you pop on the window and it works, and sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, so when you're looking at here at the ES, right, this pattern, still maintained, broke the channel downtrend here, pushed up, nice stair stepping up, riding the 8-day new all-time high, just today, right? ES didn't quite make one yesterday, did today, 31.45, leading, pulling off here. That was very, very, early in the overnight session. Not much going on other than that we're back in and see now if we continue to hold this trend again now that we retook it. All right. Crude down 2 days, back up, holding above the 200-day. Maybe a pattern change here. We'll see. See how it's, but 200-day was the war. Now it's holding above it. See if it can stay above it. If it stays above it, maybe it starts to build for a bigger move. Bonds after Powell spoke, not a whole heck of a lot going on here. Kind of just been drifting around, going all over the place. And gold, with no fear in this market, gold continues to do its thing and just kind of drift around. We talked about the VIX and 12 yesterday. It's under 12 yesterday. It closed at 1173. It's under 12 still here. We'll keep an eye on this. It's going to break one way or the other. Look at the Bollinger Band. The bottom of it's starting to open up now. It's making room to push down. See if this happens. Maybe we're going to bleed back into that low volatility environment. Something definitely to keep an eye on here. The trend this year has been every time we hit 12 to bounce hard. This time when we came in, we noticed that we flattened, plateaued along here, and now we look like we're making room to move down. So we might be going back into a low volatility environment as stocks go up. Again, recession fears have dissipated. From a sentiment perspective, put to call, neutral, no problems here, initiate away. NYMOT, +4, neutral, no problems here, initiate away. From the NASDAQ, +54, still good. Quick, hard reversal on that one, right? Big reversal on that one the last couple of days, but still okay. No problems there. And our breadth indicator finally started to resume its trend. With a big, big move yesterday, engulfed this whole range and back up. Markets like to follow breadth. Again, holiday weekend effect, low volume, grindy type action. Volume's going to get worse and worse as the week goes on, barring news. And, when you look at today, you say, okay, where could we go? We're currently at an all-time high, right? 313.37. We're mostly flat. Top of the Bollinger Band now is moved back up here. If you can see it, it's all the way up here at 314.27. That would be my next area. Turn back up. Again, weakness, you want to hold the 8-day. And notice, back above that trend. The 8-day here is now down at 311. That's going to open up higher, probably closer to 311.50, 311.90. Everything turning back up, everything resuming. Markets look fine here. Stick with things. Look for longs. That brings us to today. Somebody's just talking about letting go. Another pop. Good. Yeah. All right. Next. So for today, first of all, Disney, number one on our list. Disney finally breaking out this morning. Blue skies. It holds up here. We'll see if it can push up maybe towards the 155 area and call that, the top of this channel. It got initiated outperform with a price target at 175, and then a report that they're averaging 1 million new subscribers a day since their launch. Keep an eye on Disney. Nice move up here. Okay, Square got initiated by Macquarie, price target, price range on it. What does Square get? Where is it at? Initiated outperform Macquarie with a price target of 105. Gets above 70 here, 69.53. May try to run. It's run a lot. Got a kind of a topping candle yesterday. That said, they came right back to it. It's a little extended here. Be careful chasing it. Still looks good. Apple yesterday woke up. I'd keep an eye on this one. Took everything back. Broke the downtrend. Has room to go take out that all-time high of 268. See where it wants to go. Same thing with Microsoft. Stick with the names that are working, right? New all-time high yesterday. Does it want to grind more? Don't try to get cute this market, guys, right? Stick with the names that are working here until we get some type of pullback corrective action that gives us better setups. Twitter woke up yesterday, pushing higher again, right? Now it has room, gets through the 21-day here. It has room to try to go to 32.40, still fighting. Keep an eye on that, okay? Acting much better here. X, another name, pointed this one out yesterday on a Sunday, waking up, breaks above 14, this thing can go. Hey, look, it's right there this morning, right? So X may be getting ready to take off. Another one that's been kind of languishing. So bottom line is I don't want to throw a ton at you guys this morning. Keep it simple. Stick with the names that are working. Stick with the stronger names or names where we see big time flow. Facebook is quickly moving to my do not trade list. I just do not like how this name trades lately. Is it up and higher? Yeah, but it's chewing people apart intraday. And that's just not fun. You look at this on the chart and you can see this every day up and then chops around. Up, pulls. Next day back up, chops, up, pulls, up, pulls. Yesterday up, yanks, up, yanks. You can't sit in this. It chews options apart. It's waiting for that breakout. You're gonna have to wait for the breakout. It doesn't want to give it yet. Nice head fake yesterday. Finally got over 207, almost a 201, right? And that quick pop up, and then they yanked it back in. So, just be careful with that. Tesla, if you guys, for Tesla heads, be careful. As long as it holds the 21-day, it stays in the game. If it loses the 21-day, look for a quick move down to 305 and then watch that gap area around 290. So that's it, guys. Keep it simple today. Don't overthink things. Stay with the names that are working. Stay with the strong names. Hope everybody's having a good week. 2 more days for me, and then I'm done for the week, holiday weekend, and hope I'll catch you guys all live in a little bit.